Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. In my last video I showed you how to make vegetable Malai Kofta in the air fryer. If you missed it, do check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for all the love and supporting this channel. I continue to make many such healthy, nutritious recipes for you all, keeping health in mind. Today I'm so excited to show you how to make this perfectly cooked organic red rice in the Instant Pot. There are some tips, so keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. I'm using a measuring cup. You may use any cup or a bowl you normally use at home. If you're a beginner learning to cook, I highly recommend using a measuring cup. For this recipe, I'm taking 2 cups of red rice. If you're looking to make for only 2 people, just use 1 cup of red rice. This is organic red rice which I bought from Indian store. Next, make sure to wash and rinse the red rice well. It's a good practice to always rinse the rice well using your hand and drain the water. Repeat the process for at least 3 times until the water is clear. Rinsing the rice can help remove dust, dirt and surface starch. It also helps rice achieve a fluffier texture. Always a good idea to clean no matter how good the store-bought rice looks. Plug in the Instant Pot, remove the lid and into the steel pot add the washed rice. Next, let's measure the water. The measurement of water is crucial. Make sure to use the same cup you used to measure the rice. I'm adding 2.5 cups of water. For 2 cups of rice, add 2.5 cups of water. I like the rice to be fluffy and perfectly cooked, not mushy. Now add the measured water into the pot. There's no oil, ghee or salt required. Just rice and water is enough. Next, close the Instant Pot lid properly. You'll see a lot of different buttons to press. Don't let this stress you out. Just look for brown rice button. I use the same button to cook both brown rice and red rice. As you see, you can also toggle the plus and minus sign for the setting. I'm going to keep it for 30 minutes. You can also set the pressure level to high or low. I'm keeping it on high. Then it turns on and starts to cook. There is no one particular red rice. There are different types including West African red rice, Bhutanese red rice, Thai red rice, Himalayan red rice or Matta rice. As long as you can find a good quality of red rice that's organic, you should be good. Let's check on the Instant Pot. It's done with the cooking, but don't open yet. You see the float valve is still up. I'm going to let the pressure release naturally and make sure the float valve is down. This is when it's safe to open the Instant Pot lid. Wear an oven mitt because it's going to be hot and steamy. So it's a good idea to wait for a bit and carefully open the lid. Always use a fork. Never use a spoon. Fork will help the rice fluff up. Look at the rice, beautifully cooked and looks perfect. The rice should be soft and not hard. I'm so excited to see how beautiful this red rice turned out in my Instant Pot. Our red rice looks vibrant, perfect and ready to eat. It's not sticky or mushy. You can see the texture as I put in a bowl. Each grain is cooked well. You can see the difference between the raw red rice and cooked red rice. Wow, this looks amazing. Now, let me tell you the benefits of red rice. Did you know that red rice is beneficial due to high antioxidant, fiber, and nutrients like iron and magnesium, and supports digestive, heart, and bone health? Studies show that reddish color comes from anthocyanin, which fight oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic disease. Red rice has more fiber than white or brown rice, which helps with digestion and prevents constipation and helps you feel full longer, supporting weight management. Now let's see what other options that pairs up with red rice. It's great with chickpea curry, tofu, korma, paneer, or fried rice. I also tried to make tofu korma in coconut gravy. Turned out absolutely delicious. The recipe link is in the description below. You can check it out. Wow. Anything that's more denser, creamier works well with the red rice. Also made South Indian style curd rice, which turned out great, but you need to cook the red rice longer, adding an extra cup of water. And see what works best for you. I love the way this red rice turns out in Instant Pot. It's super easy, very simple to make, and so healthy for you. I do hope that you try this recipe and come back and let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe for many such healthy recipes. Also follow me in Instagram and Facebook. I post many healthy meal ideas. If you enjoyed watching my video, do give a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. Keep smiling, keep shining, and stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.